How to fix mirror or inverted video call in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to fix mirror or inverted video call in WhatsApp. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. So without any much ado, let's dive right into the video. First, go to Play Store or App Store on your device and search for WhatsApp Messenger. Check if there is any updates on your WhatsApp. If there is any update button next to WhatsApp Messenger, tap on update to update your app to latest version. This might be simple, but this will remove different kinds of glitches and bugs on your WhatsApp Messenger. After that, go ahead and open Settings. Scroll down, locate Apps and tap on it. Select the App Management on Apps section. You need to wait for a while until every application gets loaded. You can scroll down in this way and locate WhatsApp, or with the help of the search bar at top of the screen, type in WhatsApp and open the WhatsApp info page. On this section, scroll down, tap Storage Uses and tap Clear Cache. This will remove the glitches on your WhatsApp. After that, tap Force Stop button and tap Force Stop again. After that, you need to try whether your issue has been fixed or not. If not, then you need to once restart your phone, and after that, your mirror or inverted video call issue will be fixed on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.